Welcome to Redline Review.
The 2025 BMW XM, designed by Mansory, is a bold update to BMW's already controversial high-end SUV. To add to the aggressive look of the XM, Mansory, which is renowned for its extravagant designs, makes extensive use of forged carbon fiber components. External enhancements. Nearly every black plastic component on the Mansory, including the wheel arches, side skirts, front fascia, and a sizable rear diffuser, is replaced with forged carbon fiber. Along with a prominent forged carbon element on the hood, the car is adorned with a large roof-mounted spoiler and a subtle lip spoiler underneath the rear windshield. The XM's Y-spoke forged wheels and color-matched brake calipers add even more visual impact. Interior customization. Mansory may create unique interior modifications upon request, despite the lack of comprehensive interior images. It is expected that Mansory's upgrades will greatly improve the XM's already luxurious interior, which includes elements like the M-Lounge, back seating, and the sculptured headliner. Performance. Mansory's changes are primarily cosmetic in nature. The XM's drivetrain is left unchanged. While the XM Label Red variant delivers 738 horsepower, the base XM's 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine provides 644 horsepower. When combined with an electric motor, the 3.0-liter inline-six engine in the XM50e model generates 469 horsepower. The reception. The Mansory BMW XM has elicited mixed responses. Some people appreciate the statement that forged carbon fiber makes, while others find its radical appearance and extensive use to be intrusive. The car's eye-catching design makes it stand out and appeals to drivers who want to make a statement. In conclusion, by putting appearance over performance enhancements, Mansory's redesign of the BMW XM makes it an even bolder SUV. This vehicle is certain to attract attention and spark a discussion wherever it travels.